Hey guys, what's up? It's Project Nature, back again with a new booster box, the Clash of Rebellions Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster Box. Cool. Interesting thing about this, I was going to buy it with cash, but at my work, I won a $100 Amazon gift card, most of which I used to buy this booster box. So, unlike the last video where I paid my own cash, this is a gift card purchase and does not need to be scaled on value. But how does it stack up anyway? Well, this booster box is supposed to hold a lot of good things, both for people who like the new stuff like me, or people who like the older stuff, like other people. There's new Red Eyes support in here, more pendulum stuff, more Performer Pals, and hopefully, if we're lucky, the Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon legendary Xyz and Pendulum monster. Without further stalling, let's get started. Once again, I'm going to try and read these out and just sort of flow through these as quick as possible, but I might get caught on a card or two, so excuse me if that is what ends up happening. Alright, 24 packs here. Without any more stalling, let's get started. Pack number 1. The first one's always hard stuff. Okay, here we go. It's already looking good. Already getting some Melodist Divas out here. We've got Opera, the Melodist Diva. Chicken Game. This card is supposed to be incredible. This card opens up a lot of one-turn kills. Definitely good, but it's a common. I'm going to keep it on up here. Ray Raptor Singing Lanius. I think I have that one already. Humid Winds. Toon Cyber Dragon. That's right, there are tunes in here, and I got Toon Cyber Dragon. Awesome. Ray Raptor, Fuzzy Lanius, Brilliant Spark. What's this gem? Oh, it's a Gem Knight card. Rank Up Magic Raptor's Force. Awesome. And Super Heavy Samurai Blowtorch. I think I'm gonna definitely point these at the camera a little more instead of just speaking them out loud. Oh, I already see an awesome card in here for Performer Pals. It's Performer Pal Drumming Kong. Level 5 Pendulum Monster with a scale of 2. Once per turn, when an attack is declared involving a monster you control and an opponent's monster, you can target the monster you control. Gains 600 attack until the battle phase, even if this card leaves the field. It is a level 5 Pendulum Monster. It's awesome. This card's awesome. I definitely want it. It's definitely going right here. Extinction on schedule. Ooh, the first of many Red Eyes support. Black Metal Dragon. Prefer Mage Flame Eater. Dragong. A rank level 4 normal Pendulum Monster with no effect at all. Could be good. Ferret Flames, Performer Pal Sayu Tiger, Ignite Paladin, and Fuzzy Lanius. I think I threw my rare card into this pile. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Next booster pack. From the bottom. Okay, I'm hoping for that Odd Eyes. I kinda don't want to have to buy it. Alright, another Ignite. Ignite Squire. Ignite Singing Lanius. Bubble Barrier. Wavering Eyes. Dogaram, the Mad Flame Kaiju. Kaijus now. Performer Pal Tiger. Sayu Tiger. Performer Pal Camelump. Wow. Interesting. Ignite Paladin, Ignite Gallant, Ignites are coming in strong in this pack. I will definitely split up Performer Pals later when I have the chance. We got another Bubble Barrier. Brave Raptor Return. Aura Mage Kanaga. Aura Mages are in here. And so are Perform Mages. Aura Mage Bergamot. Oh my god. Cosmo Goodwitch. The new Cosmo archetype delivers. Awesome. Performer Pal Sayu Tiger. Performer Pal Camelump. And Ignite Paladin again. The Ignites are really spammy. I remember that. Alright. Flame Eater. Bird of Lost Paradise. Kanaga. Brave Raptor Return. Kumongus, the Sticky String Kaiju. Dried Winds. Ferret Flames. Sayu Tiger. Paladin. These Ignites and Tigers just keep coming in really quickly, don't they? I'm really hoping for something good, though. Kyoto Waterfront. Is for Kaiju. Trick Box for Perform Mages. DD Pandora. Ignite Margrave. Extra Buck. Oh, it's good for pendulums. Brilliant Spark. Temtem, the Melodist Diva. Keeper of the Shrine. Return of Red Eyes. Okay, I'm gonna have to move these cards over because they're piling up fast over here. I'll move them up out of the way. Next pack. Haven't seen any Odd Eyes Rebellion or those Jiangxi Magician thingies, but I'm hoping. Opera the Melodist Diva. Chicken Game. Ray Raptor Singing Lanius. I think this is becoming a pattern. Humid Winds. Oh, what is this? DDD Oracle King Dark. It's a fusion monster. This fusion monster from the different dimension thingies. Cool. I'll move it up here actually. Ignite Gallant. Temtem the Melodist Diva. Deskbot 5. A pendulum, I should say. A pendulum monster with effects, which is awesome. A Perform Pal Damage Juggler. I said Perform Mage, right? Definitely Perform Mage. Alright, we got Black Metal Dragon. Wavering Eyes. Singing Lanius. Secret Blast. Another DD Oracle King. Brilliant Spark. Temtem. Keeper of the Shrine. Return of Red Eyes. Got Ignite Margrave. Balance of Judgment. It's one of those solid Judgment cards. Mystery Shell Dragon. It's a worm. Trick Box. Magical Abductor. Oh, that could be good. Definitely keeping this up here. Ignite Gallant. Temtem. Deskbot 5. Damage Juggler. Flame Eater. Bird of Lost Paradise. Kanaga. Raid Raptor Return. Asher the Frost Vassal. This is interesting. Oh my. Archfiend Black Skull Dragon. Yes. That's awesome. Rank Up Magic. Raptor's Force. Performapal Silver Claw. I've been waiting for this card. Silver Claw. Oh, this card's pretty good too. Backup Rider. I mean, it deals. I mean, it's got a good effect. Just probably not that it's well, it's good for fighting enemies head on, but otherwise not really. It gains 1500 attack till the end of the turn. That turn. That's not a quick play. Bubble Barrier, Raid Raptor Return, Kanaga, Flame Eater, Ignite Lancer, an effect monster. Got a lot of Ignites. Deskbot 5, Performapal, Salutiger. Side effects? Oh wow. That's this is like a reverse. It's like a reverse upstart. I don't know why that'd be good. And Damage Eater. We're rolling down fast, and I have not seen a single one of the cards I'm looking for. Did get a good few fusion monsters. Alright, we got Performage, Trick Clown, Pianissimo, DD Pandora, Aroma Garden, which is for Aura Mages, Cosmo Slip Rider, awesome. That's awesome. I'm definitely put it up on the thing. Shooting Mirror Force, that's awesome. I think. Red Raptors, Rank Up Magic Raptors Force, another Silver Claw, Backup Rider. I want to say we're like at the halfway mark now, but I'm not good at counting, so who knows. Ooh, another Performapal Drumming Kong, Ignite Squire, Opera the Melodist Diva, or, yeah. Shh! You, no! This is the stream time. Don't. Jeez. Ignore that. Rise Bell the Summoner, Pendulum Monster. Ooh. Performage Trapeze Magician. I saw this card in the anime. It's got a ridiculous effect. Red Eyes Fusion. Awesome. I can use that for that Black Skull Archfiend. Ignore any background noise you may hear. Performapal, Salutiger, side effects. I feel like there's something stuck to the back of this. And Damage Juggler again. Gather up these cards. Stick them back there. Still no sign of either of those of the Allies Rebellion Dragon. Alright, gotta remain optimistic. Gotta hope it doesn't foil. Or that it does foil and that the foil's in here or whatever. I don't know. We have Black Metal Dragon, Wavering Eyes, Singing Lanius, Secret Blast, Cosmo Forerunner, Cosmo Farm Girl. These cards are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Fuzzy Lanius, Tam, and Performage Hat Checker. Gotta rush through some of these. Ignite Margrave, I think I might be mispronouncing it, but whatever. Balance of Judgment, Mystery Shell Dragon, Trick Box, Ignite First. Oh, what is this? Red Eyes Archfiend of Lightning. This thing is crazy looking. Oh man, what's this do? I'm gonna read it actually. This card is treated as a normal monster when face up on the field or in the graveyard. While this card is a normal monster on the field, you can normal summon it to become an effect monster. Once per turn, you can destroy all face-up monsters your opponent controls with defense lower than this card's attack. That's amazing. Definitely up here. Alright. Before Mage, Stilts Launcher, Aroma Jar, and Super Heavy Samurai Blowtorch. Alright, 4 Mage, Trick Clown, Aroma Garden, Mystery Shell Dragon, Human Winds, another Cosmos Lip Rider, Grey Raptor Fuzzylanius, Tam Tam, for 4 Mage Hat Tricker, that's spot 05, haven't seen an 06 yet. Ignite Squire, Singing Lanius, Bubble, Barrier, Wavering Eyes, another Perform Mage, Trapeze Magician, Perform Mage, Hat Tricker, Perform Mage, Stilts Launcher, Aroma Jar, Blowtorch, just rushing through these now. Perform Mage, Trick Clown, Pianissimo, DD Pandora, Aroma Garden. What's this? Mandragon, a level 5 plant pendulum monster, normal pendulum monster, with 2500 attack and 1000 defense points. It's not bad, I guess. Raptor's Gust, Fuzzylanius, Ignition Phoenix, Perform Mage Hat Trick. We are down to, let's see, oh boy, we are down to 6 packs. Well, here's hoping. Let's see what we got here. Kyoto Waterfront, Trick Box, DD Pandora, Ignite Margrave, another Toon Cyber Dragon, Ignite Gallant, Raptor's Gust, Fuzzylanius, Ignition Phoenix. Fuck yeah, they're up these cards because they're kind of stacking up. And I haven't had a time to use that thing yet. But I should soon. Unless I get the card I want. I should be able to use that thing I prepared. I'll use it regardless. 4 Mage Trick Clown. I gotta push this out of the way a little more. 4 Mage Trick Clown. Gotta face it the right way. Bird of Lost Paradise. Perform Repel Drummerella. I thought it was Drumming Kong, but Drummerella. Same thing. Ignite Squire. Ignite Burst. Brilliant Spark, Raid Raptors, Rank Up Magic Raid Raptors, Raptors Force, Super Heavy Samurai Blowtorch, Backup Rider. Doesn't look too good that if I'm going to get that Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon, might have to order again. Alright, Drummerella, I've got like 4 now. Ignite Squire, Opera, Rise Bell, Ignite Blast, Silverclaw, definitely saving this one. Ferret Flames, Perform Mage Damage Juggler, Blowtorch. 3 packs to go. I will go over my cards over a later time and divide or organize them properly then. Alright. We have Opera, Kyoto Waterfront, Balance of Judgment, Piantissimo, another Magical Abductor, that up here, another Performing Palace Silverclaw. I think I have 4 of these now. Ferret Flames, Damage Juggler, Blowtorch. A lot of Blowtorches in this. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm looking into Super Heavy Samurais, but that's a lot of Blowtorches. Reformage Trick Clown, Aroma Garden, Mystery Shell Dragon, Humid Winds, Kumongus, the Sticky String Kaiju. Here. Ignite Gallant, Ignite Paladin, Ignite Camelump, Reformage Stilts Launcher. Alright, this is the last pack. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that I get it. Or it's something. Come on. Ignite Squire. Secret Blast. Ignite Margrave. Extinction on Schedule. Ignite Champion. Fluffle Mouse. Ignite Paladin. Camelump. Stilts Launcher. Well, didn't get the one I wanted, but we got a good few cards, and I got a bunch of cards that I did want, or would like. I was saving this for when I got 3 of something, but I think you know where this is going.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Well, yeah, that's pretty much all I've got. Did get a good few cards that I was interested in, like the Red Archfiend of Lightning, Red Eyes Archfiend of Lightning, Tomb Cyber Dragon's pretty cool, Magical Abductor's not bad, Red Eyes Fusion's pretty good. Stood up right. The Archfiend Black Skull Dragon, and the DDD Oracle King, not bad. I have a few Cosmos and a few Performing Pals, so overall not too bad. Well, I'm gonna go clean up this mess. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe. If you don't, well, maybe this isn't the best video to show you, but whatever. I have another unboxing video, which I should put up in the, somewhere. You just look around for it. It's not too hard. So, thanks for watching. Here, have a Coke. Have a Coke.